I'm a real dude, still play Nintendo. I'm not a creep, but I'm staring in your window. I cut the chick off, she let my man hit it. I snatched her wig off and then ran with it. I'm a real thug, but I'm ticklish. If you tickle my big toe, I'm giggling. Catch me riding on rims, all flat tires. I love the swings, push me higher. Wee, I'm a savage. Penis size average. But she says she still gotta have it. Tickle my stomach, I'm laughing. What's happening? I'm a savage.
CaptnRetro, it's CaptnRetro Show. CaptnRetro, it's CaptnRetro Show.
Do you need mine?
No, it'll die, it'll die.
There you go.
Is this just a road to nothingness right here, or a little?
This is where they're gonna bring in.
Okay, for Uncle Lonnie's house.
Lonnie's house, yeah.
Oh my God, the Eleganza, 1983 Pace Aero Eleganza RV that has seen better days, but it's free. I know one thing, my pressure washer will love this thing.
So yeah, you know this is gonna be dry rotted.
Yeah, the screen
awning.
thing. Yeah, who needs all that?
Tires
You
are
better
probably
behave.
dry rotted too.
A little bit of mildew smell, ain't so bad.
Let him go and look at Kurt.
The ceiling has thumbtacks in it. That's always a good sign. That's not a good sign. Water damage. Water damage. You can't see it, but the odometer read 70,000 miles. It don't smell terrible. I mean, there's some mildew smell, but
Stay right
it ain't
there.
bad.
Stay right there.
And we got some water. There's some roof leaks and stuff going on. I don't dare open the fridge.
You can't go in there.
Yeah, you gotta stay right there.
Oh my God. The size of the dead spider in the tub is scary big.
Yeah? Yeah.
It's a scary big dead spider in there. You guys want to see it? Let's see.
I don't want to see it. I really
Oh my God.
Since they got it.
No, Papa, I'm getting under the. Hey, wait. I got second.
What are we
If
waiting
something
for?
would have jumped out, that'd have been awesome. Like a raccoon comes flying out of it. I dig it.
I got it.
I mean, it needs some work, obviously, but it's cool as hell.
Okay. See what they said.
Well, you got to do some demo.
A lot of demo, a lot of carpet and wood. And,
That's the
Reupholstering.
good thing about it. It doesn't take a lot of carpet. These.
no, I can put down hardwoods.
Yeah, that's be smaller.
Yeah.
That's the
Laminate.
window.
Yeah.
That's the window.
Got some.
Lightweight.
I'm guessing there's some roof issues. A lot of water lines.
That might be.
This is falling down inside there. This part of the roof, but it's probably just the old roof and falling out. And it's being held up.
It's all been pinned up.
Yeah.
Wait, I found this out.
That's an air conditioner, I suppose.
Yes.
And then I'm guessing the engine's up under this thing, right?
Yep. 454.
Big old Chevy.
Big Chevy engine.
Stop. No.
Who makes this thing? Fleetwood or
Actually, it's, everything on it's a Chevy.
Chevy chassis and everything?
Chassis and everything. Fleetwood is the people that put it together.
It's got no air cleaner on it. It's got
I told you.
carburetor pulled apart.
Too busy. It's too busy.
You gonna tie something up? Yeah, let's tie this up.
Looks clean though,
Yeah.
except for the squirrel nuts.
I think he came in and took down all of it. So
all of the spider webs that were in here.
You don't want to see the size of that spider
Yeah,
web.
it's fucking gigantic.
You might die.
It's like as
You
big
might
as my
die.
fist
Like,
laying on the
it's-
ground in there.
Yeah, I mean, it's like I said, it's not terrible.
No, and it
but
doesn't smell awful.
I think
There's a big old spider web nest over here in the corner by the driver's seat.
Just needs.
This seat, not for occupancy while vehicle is in motion. Sure, it's not. Tell that to fucking Marsh Tucker Band. And the shit that was going on that motion, on that ocean.
On that ocean.
I do not want to open the fridge, but I imagine it all needs replacing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But the floor feels solid everywhere. You know, I hadn't found a squishy.
You know, like 3 years ago, it was solid.
This room, I wouldn't open that. You got balls. Big old set of balls. All right. How are we going to get this fucking thing home?
I don't know.
I had to call a tow truck.
Yeah, it's going to need a tow.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure the tires are dry rotted.
Yeah.
No, they don't look that bad.
They still got air in.
They got air. You'd see dry rot is like this. It's not that terrible, but it could roll up to at least onto a flatbed trailer.
Oh, goodness.
Wow. Don't hurt yourself.
Be careful, Grayson.
Yeah. Be careful, baby.
Yeah, definitely pressure washing.
Yeah, my pressure washer
I'm
will
good
love
at
it. It'll
pressure
look
washing.
great when it gets done being pressure washed too, I bet. There's some pressure washing.
I'm good at pressure washing. I enjoy it.
What is this? Just like what you call it? Fiberglass.
This, yeah, that's,
Plastic,
this
resin.
This is your batteries under
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, he looked like he had the air cleaner off the engine, and the carburetor was kind of pulled apart, and there was some hoses missing from things.
He was putting.
He said it was running hot or something, and
Well, I don't know what he was. That had nothing to do with it. He was.
is that the air shocks?
The,
Ride right fire
here's
steering?
this does the balancing it. with
Yeah,
the
yeah,
different-
yeah, the air ride
One
suspension.
battery goes off of that. One battery does different things.
Right, and then the generator's in the back over here
No, on this other side.
on the other side. That's a water thing, something for water inlet. And
Generator's back here, and it was running great.
baby, you hold my. I'm giving you everything. I love you. I'm gonna climb up on the roof.
This is generator. It's
Little Onans.
This is the engine.
That's cool.
That's the
was
engine.
It
running
looks
real
clean.
That's the engine. It was.
So while he was working on it, he had this running, and he was running the air conditioning and stuff on it.
So all that stuff was working inside.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, and it just takes regular gas, right? Like it's a
Yeah.
Chevy. It's not a diesel. It's a
It's a gas.
gas. It's got a back it up light. I love it. Big old halogen spot lamp. I'm gonna climb up here if that's all right. Just look at the roof.
Be careful up there.
Are you? Yes, you are.
Yeah, you gotta check the roof out.
Oh, yeah. My bad.
And I gotta check the roof.
Looks like a lot of pine straw, but it's clean.
That place park is just surrounded by pines and
Stuff.
this come out of Florida, it looks like. Savannah.
There's a luggage rack up here too. Big old luggage box. Store more. I dig it. What am I gonna do with it? Who knows, but welcome to the family, buddy.
I think you have a small visitor.
You coming up?
Yup.
Come on down.
No, I'm going
He's
up.
good.
I'm going up.
No, we got to come down so he can
He's
come
coming
down.
I'm gonna come down.
Are you not coming down?
Yes,
Yes, he
Yes,
is.
he is coming down.
Come on, let's go.
Grayson.
I told you stop.
You want me to give you some
He's so tough.
everybody?
He's so tough.
I'm going down.
Give me a kiss.
Bingo.
Standing right here.
That was fun. It seemed pretty solid up there. Around the air conditioning might be a little bit loosey and some water coming in around there because it looks like it's duct tape type of stuff going on with it. But I know that you have to have the roofs of them redone a lot, like every 8 years or so.
Let's try again.
It can tow something.
Yeah, it's got a soda car.
Yeah.
Working.
Well, I dig it.
You dig it?
Eagle 5 is the name of the one in Spaceballs, and that's maybe what I'll slap on the side of this bitch.
CaptNRetro, it's the CaptNRetro Show. CaptNRetro.